I'm wrongful death and accident attorney George McCranie with offices here in Georgia. And today I want to talk about brain injury, TBI, and concussions after a vehicle accident. Now, some of the most devastating injuries that occur in wrecks or on-the-job accident are TBI, or brain injuries, okay? And TBI stands for traumatic brain injury. Now, nothing can prepare you and your family for the immediate and the long-term effects that a traumatic brain injury will have on your work, on your relationships, and on your family. Now, brain injuries occur when a person's head strikes something in the vehicle, like the steering wheel or the side window or the pillar system or the airbag. Now, also, TBIs can also happen in accidents where there's a rapid deceleration and acceleration, okay? And an example of that type of impact would be if you're at a complete stop and you are slammed into by a car from the rear. That forces your head violently forward, and then it quickly snaps back. And when that happens, and your head has been violently moved like that, it can cause the brain to destructively move inside your skull. Now, this sudden force that causes injury, and the injury can be anything from blood vessels tearing, nerve fibers to pull apart, bruising. There can be microscopic injury, and you can have brain swelling. Also, remember, you do not have to have a penetrating wound or a cracked skull to have a TBI. Also, TBIs occur very, very frequently in motorcycle accidents. We see that all the time, okay? So now, the thing about it is most brain injuries are called concussions, all right? And be aware, there's no such thing as a minor concussion. Any injury to the brain is serious. A second brain injury soon after a first concussion can have devastating consequences. I mean, it can include permanent disability, even death. Now, if you experience any of the following symptoms, seek immediate medical care. All right, loss of consciousness, difficulty waking up, convulsions or seizures, vision problems, or differently shaped pupils. Oftentimes after an accident, we see people that had a head injury, and one pupil will be small, one pupil will be larger or very large. Differently sized, that's an indicator. Clear fluids coming from the nose or ears, nausea or vomiting, or new neurological issues like slurred speech or loss of motor control. Now, a TBI injury usually requires a team of medical experts, doctors, nurses, therapists, specialists, to help the person recover from the injury. Now, depending on the brain injury, a person could require speech therapy, physical therapy, emotional therapy. All right, and all of the costs associated with a TBI, they're enormous. Now, it's important to get medical care for the injured person, but it's also important to get the legal help that you need as well. Now, contact us at 833-927-6227, or you can Facebook Messenger us. Now, if you contact us, remember, the call is free, the consultation is free, it is absolutely confidential. Nothing leaves our office at all, and there's no obligation. So we would like to help you. We'd like to answer your questions. And if you contact us, I'll be honored to help you through this very trying time.